So now the next step that you have to take is you click add project. You click project here. Oh, let me go back here. Oh my. Add project. I hope you saw where I clicked. There's a plus icon there. So you click add projects. Then you go by Open Forex Revolutionizing Trading Protocols. You click on top there in the top right corner. Okay, did you see where I clicked? Just right here where just in the top left corner there is that word O. Now at the bottom there's that icon there, more like the alpha. Click it. When it opens this, you check now in the top right corner where it says participate in airdrop. Click there. Successfully participated in the airdrop. Participate in this project airdrop will take effect in the next round of airdrops in the system. The next round of airdrops is expected in 53 minutes. If this round of airdrops will not appear in the list. You can now close this. And close it.